Alright, we're getting ready to start here. I've got this magnet back here just to kind of keep it lined up, and I'm just going to leave that on there just to tack it. If you leave the magnet on during your whole weld, it'll draw the weld towards the magnet and mess your weld up. What I'm using is a wire feed welder or a MIG welder. I'm using flux core wire. It has the flux in the middle of it. Instead of using shielding gas, it uses, the flux is right in there, and as it melts, it releases a gas that protects the weld from impurities. I ground a clean place on both sides of the head for my ground clamp, so I can weld it up. And just like I say, I'm just going to make sure there's a gap here, a little gap like that. I don't know if you can see that, just a little gap. And I'm going to just put a tack right there, and I'm going to get rid of the magnet, tack the other side, and then I'm just going to weld it. So here goes. I'm going to get my gear on. This is my stylish do-rag here. So the headband on my welding helmet over there, it's got some grungy sweat and stuff on it, so I started using do-rag so I don't get too many zits, all over my forehead. So and also kind of keeps a hot piece of something from going down your ear. So here goes. We'll see what happens. Well, I hope you can see that. Okay, there we go. It'll focus. Focus, baby, focus. Not real pretty, but should hold. I would just shoot at the damn thing, right? Just give it a little drop test maybe. Still attached. Good sign. Whoop. Still attached, and It actually stands up. How about it? Ready to shoot at again. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. I'm going to be doing all kinds of videos, mostly about things I know more about than welding. If you've got critique for me on that weld job, I'd love to hear it. I know there's a lot of people that are going to think, man, that's just awful. That's fine. Let me know. Tell me if you're going to criticize me, though. Tell me how I can get better. I want to improve at these things. I'm going to be doing a brake job on my 2001 Silverado. Probably video that. Going to be working on my Honda Rancher. Got all kinds of stuff coming up. Got goofy friends that are going to jump mopeds, you know, off big ramps, and hopefully not get hurt, but who knows. So subscribe. Got all kinds of crazy stuff coming up. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.